Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing ProfitzBots. As you can see, I have members area access. We're going to look at everything there is inside to see if it is the right product for you. Also, we're going to look at my bonuses that exclusively complement this product, including my mega bonus bundle. So without being said, let's stop wasting time. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back everyone. ProfitzBots, this is a product that is being launched by Ashwath Shivaram and David Kirby. It is going live on October 4th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And basically, ProfitzBots is a system that if you are interested to be making money with YouTube, or if you have a business and you want to get extra exposure, this is a product that might have some benefit for you. They simply select from 1,500 done-for-you videos that flood any link or offer with 24/7 free traffic and effortless. You can use it with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JV sales. Get those sales in minutes. So we're going to look at the members area in just a minute. This is my bonus page, and this is going to stay up for 3 days and 23 hours to get all of my bonuses, which all are related to YouTube and how you can get more traffic and help you get more sales. So let's learn a little bit more about ProfitzBots. This is a demo, a quick demo video that I will include inside my description, and you can check that out anytime on your own. And guys, basically ProfitzBots is the most advanced and powerful complete YouTube marketing solutions for your business to grow. If you have a YouTube channel, then ProfitzBots is a must-have marketing tool to manage your channel and marketing stuff. Within minutes alone, you'll be getting access to high-quality, done-for-you 1,500 videos all in one dashboard. And there is also a powerful thumbnail creator, a keyword miner for ranking videos fast, and you can download any YouTube videos with one click. Here is the funnel. We'll check that out in just a moment. Before we get into the members area access, I just want to show you my bonuses and how they are related to ProfitzBots and how they can help you out. My first one, guys, is 3 ways to exploding your YouTube view rate. This is a product that, or excuse me, a bonus that I created. It is exclusive. You won't get it anywhere else, only from me. I use these every single time I make a YouTube video, and it helps the algorithm to help you rank higher. Also guys, my next one is 4 tricks to getting huge YouTube view time. Again, this is my own video that I created that will help you, and again, I use all of these systems to help get more traffic and higher up in the search algorithm. And finally guys, unfair YouTube trick for huge profits. This is going to show you how you can get access to the backlinks of all the broken YouTube channels that are really going viral. You can put whatever you want on the back link. It'll show you how you can do that. Put affiliate links, your own products, etc. You can make a lot of potential money with that. And guys, my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses that you'll be getting for free.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll call you back. Thank you. Come on! Come on!
That's right. And the bonus bundles, excuse me, the vendor bonuses are going to be inside as well. To get these guys, all you're going to do is once you purchase ProfitzBots in the sales page like so, click on any of these buttons here. It'll take you to Warrior Plus. See that green button there? That is to access ProfitzBots, but you want to click on the blue button like so, and then that will take you to this page here. This is where you're going to get all of the bonuses. So if I just click on, for example, my mega bonus bundle review, you're going to see that there are 225 all about making money online, affiliate marketing. There are videos, there are PDFs, tutorials, how to get free traffic, organic traffic, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, also keyword searches, website creation, email marketing, real estate, Teespring, all kinds of different things, all related to helping you make money online. And again, you get all of these for free as a way of me saying thank you for using my link. So guys, it just keeps going on and on and on. Let me take you now to the dashboard of ProfitzBot. So here is what it is. You got your documentation, your training videos, and your support desk all right there. And then you click on social accounts. So you can check out the views, the videos, the subscribers. You can import a channel right there. Done for you videos. So these are them, guys, 1,500 videos. So you can be putting these out multiple times a day. You're not going to run out of material. And they just keep going over here. 2,500 plus HD videos. So loads and loads of videos here. If I just open up one. So they are all compressed. You have to download it, of course. And then you can have access to all of those. And you've got your automation tools here. So your channel manager. So you can like, comment, and put actions inside. So if I just click on there, you've got your campaign name, your channel, created at, status, total activity, and actions. And so you can create a campaign like so. Just click on there. You can put the campaign name in. You can put the keyword, the channel, enable auto like. So you can really automate it here. So you auto template, targeted words. You can add targeted words in here, and your daily max activity. You can play around with that, and you can have an expiry date as well. And then you just click create campaign. And you have a template manager here as well. So you can create, I can go to auto reply template or auto comment template, and it's the same exact thing. You just click actions, create a template, and it'll take you through. So you can give it a name. Do you want to delete offensive comments? So yes. Your reply type, you enable multiple reply, and you just create it like so. So you can really automate it here with ProfitzBot. Okay, and the search engine tools. So you have the video, channel, and playlist. So you can put in keywords here, and you can check out all the results. So for example, make money online, and you will get all of these videos. So you can download them instantly. You can crop them, you can edit them in certain ways as well. You can also do searches for channels, and also you can do searches for playlists, and it will all find it inside. Okay, and also you can do keyword finder, so you could type in anything you want, and it'll find all the relevant videos that you're looking for as well. And the custom done for you content, I believe these are going to be, yes, in the upgrades. So we're going to check out the upgrades in just a minute here. The reporting, so let's see, we've got the done for you success training, done for you agency, the image editor, and again that is in an upgrade. The unlimited, the resell rights, so these are the different upgrades. The auto reply, rank tracking, link wheel, rank tracking, partner bonuses. So your bonuses are going to be in here, okay? So, okay guys, here we go. In a free reveal all training, I teach you how to start and scale. So you can check out these bonuses by yourself. This is an extra bonus, I believe, okay? And support desk is right there. So we can go to the sales page now. Let me just take you a look here. So again guys, I went through this. So warning, free commercial license included for early birds, only offer expires in timers. So if you do get this early, you are going to be able to get the free commercial rights. And it's on autopilot, traffic in minutes, beta tester users getting results, no video recording required, no getting in front of a camera, works for complete beginners, cloud-based, commercial license included if you are early, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So guys, I'm just going to take you through some of the things here. So you will select it, and then you'll upload it, and ultimately, hopefully, you'll be able to profit from it as well. So they are making money from this as well. Here is some proof today and yesterday, and some great numbers here. Last 30 days, $15,344. And look guys, we have some testimonials. Branson Tate is one of the top 1% Warrior Plus affiliates. And we also have Wilford Baker. So the commercial license enables you to sell videos based on social media management, video optimizations, video traffic generation, video backlink, and SEO ranking services. So they will let us hold your hand. Let us hand you the tool you need to live your dream. Excuse me. Okay, I'm just gonna go through this. You can check this out in more detail on your own time, and I will be linking this demo video inside my description as well for you to check out on your own time. So it's just talking about how video is becoming more and more important in marketing and in business, and more people are using their phones and looking at videos and not reading as much. So videos and YouTube platforms like this are becoming much more important. So guys, here is a breakdown of everything you'll be getting. Cloud-based ProfitzBot software with unlimited access, built-in library done for you videos, built-in one-click video ranking tool, built-in one-click 24/7 365 video marketing tool, built-in search opportunity finder, commercial license built-in, 24/7 email support. And you got the money back guarantee. Here they are, Ashwath and David. They are the co-creators of this. Frequently asked questions there. Now let me take you to the price and the upsells. So the front end has $16.93 with a back end of $14.93. So again, you're going to select from 1,500 done for you videos that flood any market or offer 24/7 free traffic links. Effort to get sales from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. And all of my bonuses, including my mega bonus bundle. OTO1, the unlimited, you can have the thumbnail creator, the keywords miner, and the unlimited accounts. Okay, that is going to be, you'll be able to see that in the demo video that I will be linking in my description, okay? And guys, the ProfitzBot's OTO2 front end, the upsell at $42.93, the downsell at $28.93. Done for you graphics pack with no condition reseller rights. OTO3, the YouTube success. OTO3, $38.93, downsell $26.93. You're going to get YouTube video downloader, YouTube training, YouTube authority, YouTube channel SEO version 2. So you're going to learn more about the algorithm as well. But my bonuses that I've also shown you are going to show you some hacks that a lot of people don't know or don't use as well. Number 4, the ProfitzBot's reseller, 97, downsell 47. Get approved with 100% commissions, marketing toolkits included. And the number 5 at ProfitzBot's agency, 197, downsell of 67. Create unlimited ProfitzBot's accounts for your clients, agency kits included. So you can help people monetize their YouTube channels with this OTO5. You can help them get their traffic higher, their audience higher, and of course you can show them everything that you've been learned in these OTOs, and then you can actually be farming out your skills to other people. So I do like this one. Get the downsell of 67. So I like OTO5, and I like the done for you. I'm always a fan of. If you are busy and you don't want to have the hassle of doing it all yourself, get the OTO2. So I like the OTO2, the downsell, and the OTO5 downsell in my opinion. I will let you pick which one you want. And guys, just to summarize, again, this is auto traffic, free traffic in any niche. Beta testers are making money. You don't have to be making the videos. You don't have to be in front of the camera. It's cloud-based, no installation, commercial license, 30-day guarantee. Also, my exclusive bonuses exactly related to the same niche of YouTube and monetizing and getting that optimization higher and getting you more sales. So you've got 3 ways to explode your YouTube rate, 4 tricks to getting huge YouTube traffic, the unfair YouTube trick for huge traffic and profits, my amazing bonus bundle, 225 bonuses, and their bonuses as well. Guys, this is my ProfitzBot review. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit a like, hit that bell button so you're always notified of new videos. I make new videos of products, of ways to make money online. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing or making money online, also you can reach me there. And guys, I want you to just have the best of luck on your journey. I have some freebies down in my description. I have some free training and some other things down there that you don't want to miss as well. Okay guys, so this wraps up my review. This is Kieran Hogg. Best of luck, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.